if I'm going to start and say that I am a scheduler on the facility side here, like I said here on my cases, if I go into OR scheduler here, I'm able to see a more practice management view of all my cases and my ORs, my block times. So you can either go in, edit a block. You can put that it's repeating. You can put an end date that's out 10 years if you want. You could do weekly, bi-weekly, weeks a month, occurrences of the month. And this little calendar here will show you exactly what that entails. So it's really easy to set it up. And this will allow you to see it on a month view, a week view, or a day view every Monday in the month. So you can make sure that all of your block times are aligned correctly. Now, those office users on the practice side are only going to be able to see the block times for the physicians that they schedule for. Obviously, that goes back to HIPAA compliance. Now, a few things that I did mention, let me go into my settings really quick. So this is actually where you would set up your OR availability access. So I did mention those 3 different permission levels. The one that you saw was called all availability. So that would show the practice, open OR time, block time, and the cases. Block times only would show the practice only their block times and their cases, but it would not show any open OR time outside of that. And the no access would only show them their cases. It wouldn't even show them any block times or open OR time. So you do have those 3 options. I think that's really important because a lot of facilities they are very, not picky, but they want full control over what their offices can see.